Hey guys, what's up? It's itsemilyana. Welcome back to the channel. So, I'm here to show you a room tour. So, I'm finally out of the dorms. I know it kind of looks exactly like the dorms. My dorms are half dorms and half apartments. I'm in the apartment area. I'm so glad for it because it's like a lot less strict and don't have to worry. But I'll probably be here for 2 years. This will be my room for hopefully 2 years, and it's really fun. And I want to show you the place because this is where I'm gonna be making videos for a while, which is so fun. And I'm excited for this new chapter and this new journey. It's just such a fresh start because, so you guys know, like, I switched my major. I was going through it back in February and March, even a little bit of January. I was going through it. Now I'm here. I feel a bit lighter, feel a lot lighter, and I'm excited. I'm only showing you my room. The living room isn't much different than past years, so if you've seen my past year, and we also haven't completed the living room yet. Me and my roommates are still trying to figure that out. But my room is basically done, other than like little things that don't even matter. So I'm showing you it because I've been wanting to do this quite a long time. I was gonna wait for someone like film it with me, but I think it's just easier if I show you guys. And even if I'm not in the video a lot, you get to see my room, my space, and where I'm gonna be the next few years, and how I'm decorating it, why I'm decorating it this way, and all that. So let's get straight into it. So we are in my little like hallway, I'm gonna call it. It's the hallway going into my room. So right here I have a mirror. I'll turn the light on even though it's very yellow. I don't necessarily like it, but here we go. Here's my hallway. So right when you walk into my room, this is what you see, and it's very bright outside, so there. This is what you look when you walk into my room. On this side, I have a little like affirmation wall going on, but these are kind of falling off. I think it's because these aren't actually sticky notes brands. It's a different brand. But they're cute pastel colors, so I've been writing little affirmations on here. I have more to add, I just need to write them out. Over here, I'm putting all my photos I take with people. I have a little Polaroid printer, so I print those out. Some of these are Polaroids, but I print this one out. A lot of these are old, like these are from freshman year, sophomore year. Me and my cousins, me and Daniel, I printed this one out once I got it. Me and Sarah when we saw Jake. I was gonna say 5 sauce, not 5 sauce. And then this, I've had a few different years. I don't know if I've ever shown it, but it was Allie's, so I bought myself one because I love this thing. These things are so nice. Get yourself on Amazon. Of course, these light up. I didn't say that, but I just figured everyone would know. But it lights up and it's so pretty. And then this is my snack drawer. This was in the kitchen last year, but yeah, there's my snacks. Nothing much. Chips, granola, which is technically not a snack. These Trader Joe's chips I want to try. Don't know how I like them. Pretzel thins. I have tea in here. And insomnia cookies because they were doing a box promotion. And then over here, I have a little wine and drinks. Cause I'm turning 21 this year. Honestly, they're so cute. Honestly, I got it because it's giving gin and toxic, but it's gin and tonic, which is how gin and toxic got their name. So I kind of wanted it for this, but I'm also turning 21, so it works. My vinyl, so I can play all my music. All these drawers, very colorful. Have a candle, which Wakeheart, I've raved about these. But it's, is it Vanessa? Yeah, I think this one's Vanessa, but it's a Merrill Twins collab with them. I was scared to light this because it's so pretty, but I'll use it for something else. These fresh flowers, hopefully they're not dying. I think they're doing pretty well so far. They look a bit sad, but the vase is very small also. Maybe I'll change the water. It might help them. This I've had for so long. Maybe just since last year. But me and Allie have an E and A, but I keep it. I never turn it on though. These flowers, my aunt arranged these and they're so pretty. This vase is from IKEA, which I love. And then I have these heart crystals over here in this tray I got. And this is all on, I have 2 sets of drawers because I own a lot of stuff. This Miss Sarah Jean made me, or Sarah Hornborg, I don't know. She like has both of them on different platforms, but she crocheted this whole thing and I'm obsessed. A lot of people are saying it's like crooked because of the 3 and the 9, but I don't see it. Same with the drinks. People are saying it's crooked, which I think they might be, but you know, it's fine. We'll do a bathroom tour now. Know how clean it is. I just have a lot of stuff on here. So here's me. Yeah, so this is my shower curtain. I wanted a peach lame, so I got a peach rug too, peachy clean. I love things like that. I think they're so fun, so cute. So I wanted stuff like that, and I have more over here. Peachy clean, hello sweet cheeks. I love that. Just peachy, sweet as a peach. I love things like that. Be kind. That one's not as fun, but absolutely be kind. To be so lonely. I mean, I love that song. Champagne Problems, and then a Chicago print, which is really cute. And then this I've had since freshman year, and I could never get rid of it. The bottom, there's nothing on the bottom, but it's all my makeup, hair stuff, basically makeup and hair stuff for the most part. And then over here, this is more hair and skincare. This I need a picture. I just don't know what picture I want to put in there. And then, yeah, and then I have a cabinet for more things, which is like hair ties, feminine products, all that stuff. And then I have a pink cup, and then I have purple, like, what are these called? Like ear cleaners? No, I can't think of words. I haven't had sleep in many days, so that's fun. Next part of my room. So I put something on the TV for you guys to see. You probably can't see it that much, but here's my little room. So I don't know if you guys tell what I was going for, but I was kind of going for Somewhere I Turn Pretty. My roommate said it was giving off Barbie theme, and I love that. So here I have some prints. I have a Treat People with Kindness print. These 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4, and these 2, these 6 I got from Etsy, and I added these 2, and they actually like match perfectly, but I love all of them. And then these are mainly Taylor and like beachy prints, which I like. I have Cruel Summer, Getaway Car, Clean, Kyle Boy Like Me, and then like these, which are like the Outer Banks fan, but in pink, which I like. And are you focused? Okay. And then here's my bed. I wanted it very neutral, but I have blue sheets, so a pop of color. Blue pillow, these 2 pink fuzzy pillows, and then this like little crochet pillow, and this round pillow. And then on here I have this little thing, which is from IKEA. A bunch of crystals from a bunch of different places, and this is a meditation rock. And then my Queen Charlotte book, which is actually signed by Julia Quinn, which I love, so thought I'd show it off. And then I have my TV. This is my closet. There's not much stuff, so sorry to disappoint. That's my Cricut. That's Cricut things I've been making. More Cricut stuff, and my yoga mats back there. But then my clothes. And then this is my keys, obviously. And then I have 2 bags up here just because these are my 2 favorite bags right now. So I keep switching them out. Then shoes. This is my steamer. This is my recipe book. I have paper towel up here just to have. Then I keep my vinyls and hair stuff like curling irons, things like that in there. So then I have my poof in the middle of nowhere, right next to my TV. So if I want to sit on my little poof and watch TV, I can. Or if I want to read on my poof. That's why I put this on, because this is what I usually like read to, which you can find these on YouTube. Definitely recommend. And then sit on things. Here's my window with my beautiful view. And then I can open it, but I'm not going to because it's loud. And then this is like my nightstand and very messy desk area, but I can explain that. But so here, nothing much going on, just my nightstand. I put books out because Allie roasted me yesterday with having no books around here. They were in a drawer, so I put them out. There's stuff in there. It's mainly like batteries and electronics. Same with in here. Batteries and electronics. And then my desk, which is a lot going on. I have a Halloween countdown, which I don't know if I switched today. This for all my pens and pencils. This has sticky notes, stapler, all things like that sort of thing in it. These 2 things I'm gonna move, but I want a giveaway and I haven't put it anywhere yet, so yeah. Have my water bottle always, have stay hydrated, a lamp which changes colors. Right now it's on blue because I watched a movie with Allie. Oh, it's actually on white. Must have switched it this morning because it was dark in here. And then I have these little streamers, which I'm trying to turn on, but the battery's on the bottom, so there. I don't know if you can see, but they like twinkle, and it's white, pink, and purple colors, so they're really cool. Maybe I'll add like a little like video in here when it's at night and all my lights are on. Obviously a diffuser, which is nice to have. Diffusers and candles, but if you're not allowed to have candles, which I wasn't for a while. Taylor Swift coasters, the necessary. And yeah, a lot of my electronic stuff. My iPad's actually under here because I have charging stations over here to over here. Need to charge a lot. But yeah, that's my space. I feel like you guys saw a lot. I didn't go in every single jar, but it was like close enough. I showed a lot. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my little area with a bunch of Taylor Swift references and my Summer I Turn Pretty vibe. That's what I was going for. That's really what I was going for. Like color-wise anyways. Like the blues, pink. And if it's giving off Barbie, I'm so okay with that. I love pink though. I love pink, purple, and light blue. Like this is my color story. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Look out for new videos. I'm gonna maybe see if I can start posting twice a week. Don't know if I can do that, but maybe I can get to that point. But like, subscribe, follow my other social medias, which will be linked down below. have a small business, follow that while my Cricut stuff is out. Yeah, follow that, follow my social medias, subscribe here, turn post notifications on so you know when I post on here. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Felt like I ended it very like, oh yeah, turn post notifications on. But I just want you guys to know. I want you guys to know when I post, because it's good to know. Because I think I have some pretty good content that is helpful for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm done talking. Okay, bye!